guys, welcome back to Musab's Creative Toolkit. Today we're checking out Sapphire 2026 for After Effects, one of the most requested plugin packs. A lot of you have been asking for this, and honestly, it's pretty hard to find a version that actually works properly on newer systems. But yeah, I finally got Sapphire 2026 running, so let me show you that it's actually working on my Mac M chip machine. First, I'm opening After Effects and importing a normal video clip into a new composition. Now I'm going to apply one of my coloring animation presets. This preset uses multiple Sapphire effects, so if Sapphire isn't installed correctly, the preset simply won't work and you'll get missing effect errors. Let me apply it now, and there we go. You can immediately see a proper shift in the footage. The colors, contrast, and overall look have changed, and all the Sapphire effects inside the preset are loading without any issues. Let me quickly turn it off and on so you can see the difference. This is before and this is after. If I open the effect controls, you can also see the Sapphire effects are active and working properly inside After Effects. Now let's test another effect. I'm going to add Sapphire Sharpen at the end to make the footage look a little more crisp. I'll search for the Sharpen effect, apply it to the video, and increase it slightly. You don't really want to push sharpening too much, but a small amount can make the details look much cleaner. Let me zoom into the face so you can actually see the difference. This is without Sapphire Sharpen, and this is with the effect turned on. You can clearly see more detail around the face, hair, and edges. So yeah, Sapphire 2026 is working perfectly fine here on my Mac. Of course, Sapphire has a lot more than just these effects. You get tons of transitions, glows, distortions, lighting effects, blurs, color effects, and much more. I mainly wanted to make this quick video to show you that the plugin is actually working before you try it yourself. If you want the plugin and full installation instructions, join my Telegram community or Discord server. I'll also share a detailed installation video there so you can follow everything properly. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Musab's Creative Toolkit for more After Effects plugins, presets, and tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.